Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. This video was submitted to me, and while it is short, it shows the perfect police interaction when law enforcement appears at your door.
How you doing?
Delaware County Sheriff's?
Yes, sir.
You have a warrant?
I'm just here to talk to you.
Have a
about
warrant?
No, you're not under arrest. You're not under arrest. We're just trying to figure out what.
I have no wish to converse with you.
Okay.
Or answer questions.
All right. I
require counsel for questions.
Okay, that's your right.
I would like you to leave now, please.
Okay, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave your car just in case.
No, thank you. I don't wish anything of you.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time. All right, take care. Have a good one. Yep.
Enjoy your day, sir.
The first and most obvious tip for a situation like this is don't answer your door in the first place. If they have a warrant or exigent circumstances allowing them to enter your home, they will. You do not have to open your door. If you do decide to lend them your ear for a moment, exit your home and lock the door. We've shown scores of videos of officers using their foot or body to block people from closing their door. And if while closing the door, it touches the officer, an arrest is made for assault on a peace officer.
You're holding my door open with no warrant.
We're not touching.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it. We'll see you guys in a little bit when you figure this out, alright?
Move out the way!
Another extremely important tip is to film the entire encounter. Let it be known that you are recording video and audio for your own records. This will sometimes keep the cops from violating your rights. Not always, but at least now you have a personal record of the incident that cannot be hidden behind paywalls, investigations, or any other hurdles law enforcement make up to prevent the distribution of body cam footage. Notifying them of your filming can also prevent them from pursuing bogus wiretapping charges. Don't forget that the 5th and 6th Amendment have your back. The most famous part of the 5th Amendment is the right to not testify against yourself. The government, which includes police, cannot compel your speech or testimony. The government must present witnesses and evidence to prove the crime and cannot force you to testify against yourself. Do not answer questions. Finally, the 6th Amendment requires a suspect to have the option of the assistance of counsel in all criminal prosecutions, including during almost every important phase of the criminal process, typically from arrest through the first appeal after conviction. For example, criminal suspects have the right to ask for an attorney and remain silent if they're being interrogated by the police. Big thanks to John for submitting this to me. He wanted no mention and told me that he submitted it with the hope that other people learn to exercise their rights and duties peacefully. Pretty short video, but extremely important information. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.